Video 217, Neverno, of the Atomic Ivy MMO series. In the helper functions section, so right up here, we have added a thing called a Neverno. And a Neverno is going to be a promise that always accepts and never rejects. We have some monkey wrench macros here, because it took me a while to think about exactly how I needed to write this code, because I am rusty with promises. That's really what happened. This fNeverno, function Neverno, takes an executor function, and we're going to constrain that executor function so that it can only take one formal parameter, because the executor is always going to accept and it's never going to reject. And then also we got to make sure that the input is actually a function, right? So we are basically going to wrap the promise constructor and give extra constraints to how we're doing things. So here's our new promise, and we're going to output that promise. So a Neverno is a type of promise that never rejects, always accepts. And when we're writing our code, if there's an error in, say, JSON data, we're asking for JSON data, and there's an error, we still give back JSON data, but then the .error flag in that data is set, right? If we ask for an image, and that image doesn't exist, we still give back an image, but we give back a 404 image, etc., etc., etc. And hopefully that will simplify our code and result in less branching. That's what I'm hoping for. Here's what we did previously, here's our footnotes, and then here's what we did in this video right down here. So you've been on this playlist here. You can get the source code here. You can email me here. This has been video 217. Like, subscribe, send me coffee in the mail.